Kingdom of Thailand is 300 meters high from the ground floor. The world's leading elevator company, LG, has specially designed this elevator to run smoothly at the speed of 240 meters per minute, and it takes approximately 1 minute and 20 seconds from the ground floor to the observation deck. Beginning with the 20th floor, the light will be switched off to allow you to have a better view of the eastern side of the city, where the most important residential areas in Bangkok are. On a clear day, you can see far away beyond the Chao Phraya River to the Gulf of Thailand. Thank you for your visit. Enjoy the magnificent view of the city, and we are looking forward to welcoming you back in our Baiyoke Sky Hotel in the near future.
Mingo. A totally unique experience. The Huachang Heritage Hotel is an impressive new building, beautifully located next to the Huachang Bridge. The essence of the hotel is inspired by the new Thai colonial design, an exquisite blend of Western-influenced architecture and contemporary Thai design.